What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Stunner Reese, and I'm back with another video, man. And today, man, this is part 2 of getting the turn signal switchback flashers done on the giveaway car, the Putt Putt Prius, man. So yeah, I know I messed up in the last video. Yeah, I did it. It was all my fault. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, man, for this whole video. Don't skip no ads, man. We're about to get to the dealership, go pick up the parts. I'm gonna show you exactly what part it is, and yeah, we're gonna try to see if we ain't do the right way this time, because I know what I did wrong, but trial and error. So let's get to it, man. It's your boy Wild Boy Reese, man. Don't skip no ads. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on all the post notifications, man, so you don't miss a video of the legendary Putt Putt Prius, man. But this mod is definitely gonna look good. Let's go. Live life to the fullest on muscle cars and more. Let's get it, let's go. Alright, Stunt Squad, man, your boy Stunner Reese, man. Like I told y'all, I'm on my way to go grab the parts from the dealership, but I want to talk to y'all for a second, man. Guys, y'all is not going to believe this. So the buyer's attorney on the big house, guys, asked for another extension. They asked for another 8 days. Guys, they don't want to close until the 17th now. And what I've been told, it sounds like the buyer is lollygagging on turning in all her paperwork. I don't know what it is. She was pre-approved. The loan officer is waiting. The agent is waiting. My agent is waiting. My attorney is waiting. Her attorney is waiting. And she keeps telling everybody that she's, you know what I'm saying, ready to close whether they close. Now, what I heard is she did submit the paperwork, but they said that they did not get it. So now she has to get the paperwork again and resubmit it again so that, you know, we can get this damn deal closed, man. It's just crazy that I'm having to deal with this. But I told him I'm only gonna do it with the contingency that now her earnest money that she put down is hard earnest money. $100 per day, meaning that she loses $100 per day after tomorrow, which is Friday, towards the purchase of the property every single day until we close. You know what I'm saying? And that money goes to me, you know. So, you know, that doesn't really make the whole deal better, to be honest with you. To me, I mean, I'm still like not liking this whole situation. I would rather close and get my check, but I mean, hopefully that will spark some, you know, fire under her butt to get the stuff done so that we can get the damn closing done. You know, guys, that's what I'm dealing with, man. In the interim, this whole situation with the world going on, guys, it's a lot of things that I'm trying to learn and trying to do to, you know, just make sure I'm staying on top of my game on, you know, what I need to do for the future. I mean, like I said, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I think this whole thing is going to change the way we live, and my belief is that's what was intended from this whole thing from the start, is to get us on a certain mindset. But y'all can see, man, I just made it to the Toyota dealership, and I have to go in here and grab this part and maybe grab me a new car. No, I'm just joking. Just joking, man. Just joking. Y'all want me to buy stuff, new cars and stuff, and I ain't on that right now, man. I'm trying to make sure my baby's safe. All right, let's get in and get this part. All right, Stunt Squeezy, so we got the part and we are on our way back. I installed it and everything is all good. The lights are back working, so we are Gucci. All right, so we're about to get this thing hooked up, man, and y'all gonna see exactly what I'm talking about with this mod. Y'all gonna like it too. Let's get it, let's go. All right, Stunt Squizzy, I'm about to show you guys exactly what I kind of had to do before I actually put it all together, and I'm gonna show you how it is operating. Now, as you can see, I got it turned on right now. Now, it is just running basically with the fog light. Now, this bulb here goes in here for the yellow fog light, and you can see they are both on together. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys how it works when you actually switch it to the turn signal. And let me just adjust this right here. Now, as you can see, the white light turned off, and now it is at the turn signal. But pretty much while the fog lights and the headlights are on, it'll be just the constant solid white, and it's going to give it the effect of a fog light, and it's going to give it the effect of like a double fog light, which is going to look pretty good. Now let me cut it off, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I kind of had to do to make this whole thing work with it not having the constant lead for the power. It was a little tricky, but I got it done. I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right, so I'll show you with this one. This is the old socket that actually plugs in here. I had to buy a new one of these, and what I had to do was to drill, you can see that little hole right there, drill that hole there, and I had to drill another one right there to run these two jump leads from the fog light power and ground, and run them through those holes and connect them to, and I'll show you with this new bulb, I had to connect them to the two sources of power, which is this one here, which is this one here to my right, and again this one here to my right on the bulb. Okay, and once I connected them with some solder, just took a regular solder gun and some solder and soldered them right to the very tips. You know what I'm saying? Because you got to think about it, this still has to plug into the socket. So here's a socket. This still has to plug into the socket. Now this is the one that I was originally working with yesterday, and this is the reason why it blew it out, so that the lights wouldn't work. So I had to go get a new fusible link and stuff. But I kind of learned what I did wrong with this one. But yeah, this still has to plug into here. Now, as you can see on this one, I attempted to cut that part out and cut that part out, and it didn't work. I ended up, like I said, just blowing out. But I figured out later after that just to drill the holes, which I did through here, and run the wires through there, and it ends up working. So you just got to basically just put a little solder right here on the tip, enough so that it still goes in. Well, this one is kind of damaged, but it still goes in, and it'll still work. The circuitry for the actual turning signal is in here already, so you only really have to run the circuits for the constant white light. All right, but yeah, so that's pretty much what I had to do. Now that I got this one done, what I'm gonna do is, let me turn the lights off. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually just put some electric tape around this bulb in the inside. I'm gonna just basically put some electric tape around this, even though it's gonna be inside the actual housing. I just feel better with a nice thin layer of electric tape around this, and try to make it, you know, as neat, as waterproof as possible. Again, this rubber seal is going to be preventing any water from getting in here, but just a little extra measure. Probably overkill, but it's just something I'm about to do. So first things first, I'm gonna get this as tight as possible in here. There we go. Got that nice and neat. And just one small piece, guys. That's it. I mean, I don't need to go crazy, like I said. Just put one small piece around this whole thing. just like that. Now you can see, of course this is gonna go in and it's gonna come in from the back, but now you can see how this whole thing is gonna work. Pretty much just gonna go in. Like that. And I'm gonna fire it one more time so you guys can see it, and then I'll install it back in. Now you guys can see, man, how it's pretty much gonna work. Again, this bulb is gonna be in the yellow, and it's just gonna give it a nice cool look, man. I definitely like the way that it's gonna look, man. Shout out to my boy YELLCAT, man, from Audio Zone, man. Definitely hooked it up. Like I said, his link to his YouTube channel is going to be in the description of this video. So let's get this thing racked up, and then I'll show you how it's gonna look on this side, and then of course I got to do the whole same thing on that side. But let's get to it, man. Yeah, I'm excited. All right, stunt squad, so now I'm about to show you guys how it looks in the car. I think it's gonna look really good, so sit there right there. Let's go for it. All right, guys, so there you go with just the fog light and the turn signal. And man, I definitely like the LED look of the turn signal. It's definitely more brighter. Now there is a part that you can get to stop the turn signal from flashing so fast. It'll flash at the normal pace. I know that it is available. It flashes still, it just flashes a little faster. But let's see how it's gonna look with the fog lights. That's what I really want to see, man. That is gonna look so good. I cannot wait to see it at night, guys, lit up. I think that's gonna definitely look good, man. I can't wait to get this whole car rewrapped now. You know what I'm saying? It's just coming together. New rim should be in either today or tomorrow for this side. And man, we're gonna get this thing back looking legendary. All right. So let me repeat the step on the other side.
1 hour later.
All right, stunt squad, it is ready. Squizzy, here we go, man. I'm about to show it to you. Now I don't have the car on right now, but I'm about to turn it on and show you guys exactly how it came out. I hope you guys like it. I like it. I definitely like the way it looks. All right. So first, I'm gonna just show it to you with just the turn signals on. Now, what's crazy, it took me about 10 minutes to do the other side once I knew how to do it, man. But yeah, there it is. We got the fog lights on with just the turn signals. On this side, you can see. But on this side, you see, just like the newer cars, it's got the running light on this side. I love it, man. I cannot wait to see how it looks at night, man. That's gonna be the real definitional, defined moment to see it at night. But I'm gonna show y'all a whole nother video at night. That's right, man. I like it. I like it a lot. I can't wait to just get out and test it and see how bright it actually shines too, man. Maybe I could just drive like this with no headlights. That'd be kind of cool. But no, I'm just playing. I'm gonna still turn my lights on. But yeah, man, I'm gonna put the link to YELLCAT's YouTube channel in the description of this video. Also, I'm gonna post his phone number right here. I'm also gonna put his phone number in the link of the description as well. If you wanna pick up these lights, man, give Audio Zone a call. They'll ship them out to you, get them to you guys. And man, it's definitely worth it, man. I can't wait to drive it. I can't wait to drive it with the lights on at night. Really bright, like, I can't wait, man. So yeah, but y'all stay tuned for this whole video series, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are giving this car away at 100K. We also giving away prizes every 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys are sharing my videos on Facebook, all right? So just like that, man, I'm out of here. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
Hey, subscribe, share. What does it? Like for you, nigga? Yeah, subscribe, square, like. Square?
I know.
Shit.
right, subscribe, square.
Yeah, subscribe, share,
And
like.
square.
And square. And share.
All right, back up.
Subscribe to my man.